So the problem is in line 141. Here. Actually, that's not the problem. Created card, my component container, copy effects list. And then I print, or should I say log, each text of the effect and its value. Wait a second, showing inspector. Maybe there is a problem showing the effects list, property, space, order, range, property tooltip. Show property resolver. What's this? Okay. So this works. So I think it must be overwritten somehow. Quick bubbles add cards. Add. If this is not, create it again. So this is privately set. So I can only set it here. Serialize reference. A field. Read-only attribute to allow for light debugging. Read-only attribute. Debugging of values. Read-only. Like this. Okay. Maybe that's the problem. Let's see. So we have this. Okay. Village. Okay, now let's create this. Let's enemy template, and we have the card, the wood sword. There. The effect list is empty. The effect list is empty. Let's see this guy. So this is a slime. The card non-combo item component. No idea. So maybe this is set to null sometimes. Set card activation event. Set. Oh, this is init. What do you do with this? Ah? What am I even doing here? Check this out. I am overwriting this guy. That's crazy. Why? Why do I do that? Fusionable card. So it gets the component. I said init. Why? Why? Fusionable card. Why do you take this? This makes no sense. What do I do with this? Oh, because I need it. Oh, I need it because... Okay. So let's add... if the effect is null, then overwrite it. Okay, so this is no overwriting. If this is set, this is null, then it's overwritten. There. You know what? I don't like this at all. I don't like this. Actually, this is needed because sometimes it is null. Sometimes it's null. Yes, sometimes it's not, so that's okay. 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 So let's see. There we go. There we have a poison effect and a weak effect. Perfect. Now is the moment. The moment has come.
You win. Perfect.
Nice. Okay. So in C sharp, I'm using Unity 6 and C sharp for creating a video game. I have a property that I'm gonna ask something to this. Check this out. So I have this property, right? This a component container there, which holds a that. I want to know if it's a good design decision or a good design pattern or a good software architecture decision to pass the item component container to many other instances and allow them to modify its variables, or is it better to make it so that it can only be that its variables can only be modified in only one class. Alone. So your question touches on a critical aspect of software design in the context of Unity and C#, encapsulation and data management in a game architecture. Let's analyze whether passing my item components container to multiple instances and allowing them to modify its variables is a good design decision, and whether restricting modification to a single class is a better approach. So as you see, I was trying to solve this issue since yesterday. So I'm guessing that's a bad design decision. So that's why I want to ask this guy. Let me know which is the best approach. I'll break this down into key considerations, evaluate the pros and cons for each approach, and provide a recommendation tailored to Unity game development. Key consideration: encapsulation. Encapsulation is a core principle of object-oriented programming. It suggests that an object's internal state should be protected from direct external modification, and changes should occur through well-defined interfaces, methods, or properties. Okay, so I have a property. It suggests that an object's internal state should be protected from direct external modification. So it should be protected from external modification. Okay. Your Item components container property has a private set, which is a good start for encapsulation at the property level. However, if you pass the item components container object to other instances and allow them to modify its field, like effect list or combo item component, so that's what I had problems with, you're bypassing encapsulation unless those fields are also property protected. Yes. So I'm breaking the encapsulation principle. So this is not encapsulated. Data integrity. Allowing multiple classes to modify item components container increases the risk of unintended side effects, making it harder to track where and why changes occur. Yes, it was harder to track actually. This can lead to bugs that are difficult to debug, especially in a complex system like a game. Yes. Restricting modification to a single class provides a single point of control, making it easier to enforce rules, validate changes, and debug issues. Yes, validate changes and debug issues. Yes. Unity specific context. In Unity, components often interact with shader data, a player's inventory, a card system, or item effects. Passing around a container like item components container is common, but you need to balance flexibility with control. Unity's component-based architecture often encourages loose coupling, but direct access to a container's field can lead to a tight coupling, making your code base harder to maintain. Tight coupling, loose coupling, yes. Scalability and maintainability. As your game grows, a design that allows multiple classes to modify shared data can become a maintenance nightmare. You'll need to trace every modification to debug issues and or add new features. As your game grows, a design that allows multiple classes to modify shared data, yes, can become a maintenance nightmare. Yes, centralizing modifications in one class or a small set of classes makes it easier to scale the system and add new functionality without breaking existing behavior. Yes. You pass item components container instance to various scripts. Those, yes. Loss control. A script with a reference to item container can modify its fields, potentially leading to unintentional changes. Yes. For example, making it null, like I just did. Debugging difficulty. If a bug arises, contains unexpected data, you'll need to trace all scripts that have access to the container, which can be time consuming. Yes, it was. Tight coupling. Scripts that directly modify items component container become tightly coupled to its internal structure. If you change the container fields, rename effects list, or change its type, you'll need to update all dependent scripts. Yes. Encapsulation violation. Even though the container has a private set, the fields inside are public and mutable. This allows external scripts to modify the container's state directly, undermining encapsulation. Okay. So I want this to restrict modifications to a single class. Item manager, for example, or the class allowing or the class owning this as the sole authority for modifying item components container. Other scripts interact with the container through public methods. Yes. Okay. Add effect, set combo component, and so on. So I make all of this private, including the list. So this should be private, not public. So let's see. I can add effects. There, add effect. So I never get the effect list itself. That's the thing. Let's see, where is this used? Everywhere. So it's much easier to add. Wow, look at this fusionable cards. Okay. If equals null, x value, add. What in the week? Add effect card. Add effect cards. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna set this as private. And I'm going to do this public. When this is constructed, I want this to be new then. So let's do an add effect, public void. Let's add effect. There, let's do effect add effect component. Value new card. What the shoot? So I can do another one called public void replace effect. No, wait. Replace effects list. There. So this. What else? Copy. I can do a public. No, I should never do a get effect list. get effect. There, get effect, index, then I should do public int. There we go. Perfect. What's this? So effect. It should never be null actually. Count 0. Count for each. What's this? Okay, I think that's enough. Let's get the errors. Okay, I need to change all of this. Let's do a replace effect list with this. There. Let's get rid of this for a moment. There we go. Let's see. What's this? Effects list. Okay, so another replace with you. Let's just do it like that. So this is never null. Let's do a count, right? Count get effects count equals 0. There, this is not going to be used. Oops. Let's do add effect. There we go. Add effect. There. There, much better. So I guess this is the same. There, add. Oops. Let's do this. Let's count. Count. Get effects count equals. There we go. Let's do a replace effect list. There and there. Let's see this. Okay, so this isn't necessary. Let's delete this. There. Let's get count effects, get effects count equals 0. So this is private. Okay. So maybe I can get this for each. How can I use this for each? Okay, can you give me the solution? Okay, container. I want to use this in a for each loop, but it's private. What method can I use to be able to use it in a for each loop? Read-only way to access it. Yes. I read-only list. Okay, read-only. Effect list. So this, okay, effect list. Don't look at this. Effect list. What is this? Interface as read only. Modification: adding, removing, or clearing. An effect. So what's this exactly? How it works? A wrapper around effect list that implements a read-only. This allows iteration. Okay. I read-only list can still serialize the list for editing. Objects inside the list are still mutable if they are public fields or setters. Okay, yes. Private. Okay, the same thing. But what's this? I don't get it. Another class. Explain this line. Okay. Public, yes. The type of property is an interface of collection generics that represents a read-only collection of elements of type T. In this case, effect item component. Iteration, index-based, it prevents modification. Nice. of a, okay, effect list. There, this is the expression body property syntax. Oh, read-only property. It's a read-only property. Ah, it's equivalent to writing this get as read-only. Oh, so nice. Okay, let's add this then. There, let's do this public read-only. So let's do a hide in inspector, right? Hide in inspector. Return effects list as read-only. Nice. Effect list. Okay, so let's see if it works. Effects list. Nice. let's go crazy with this. Read only, or rather effects list read only. There we go. Perfect. Or should I say
Perfect.
there? Effects list was this again. Effects list read only. Nice. Oops, what's this? This. What's... So I'm not gonna use this, sorry. No. There, I don't want to allow that. So let's see, get count, get effects count 0, and for this is effect list read only. So nice. There, the same get count equals 0. Oh, look at this. Effects list. Okay, let's do a replace effects list with a read-only one, or should I say I copy them? Effects copy. Wait a second. Replace so so let's add let's do replace. Okay, so this, how can I copy it? Maybe I can do it differently, you know? Replace effect list. What's this? Default equipment. Let's change it here. Count. There. There. Let's do get effect index. There. So I have a replace. And I can have a new one that says as what I don't even know what I want to do now. So let's get this. What? Count. Get count. Get effect. Alright, so this isn't necessary. Do I have an add effect? Add, yes, great. Okay, replace, so I need to, how was this? There. The components into get effects count. Copy list into copy into. Okay, maybe I can replace. I can do replace effects list. So this I can do this. This equals effect list. Like this, return. So let's copy. No, this is assign effect list into, and this is target effect list. Save into the target effect list. There. There, so I can do this. Assign effect list into. There. What? Effect list? Oh. Let's do this then. Target container. So this target, list, effects list, there, into target container. Or should I say remove? No, it's okay. There, so that way I don't need to that. From the component to the item. Drop card, assign effect list into there. Alright. Oh, apply the changes to the specific effect. Oh, okay. So let's see, count. So let's see, get effect. There. Let's copy this. Perm changes effect list. Drop card. So this isn't necessary. In effect list read only. There. Let's delete this. Okay, let's get the count, effects count. Effect list read only. There we go. Okay. Perfect for now. Let's see. Cave. Let's pause this. So this guy is the goblin. Let's check a look. Let's see the card. Won't dare fall. There we go. Perfect. I mean.
Perfect.
There.
Win. You win. Perfect.
Nice. So I learned something today. Let's try to be more encapsulative as possible. That's very important, actually. Let's be as encapsulative as possible, as much as we can. But look, that's a bit messy, isn't it? I had to ask, like, wow, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 methods to be able to encapsulate this more. Okay, now I fixed. The problem was encapsulation. This got nullified component. Fissionable cards. Component. That was the problem. Okay, so this is really good. This is the wood source. Okay, so this is the wood source of the slime. It's not configured. There, let's see the slime. There, see, it's not configured. Exit combat, in close combat. Come on, let me. What's the problem with this? I want. Combat SO. Default equipment list. There. There, that's the item components container. Why is it read only? There, that's the item components container. Why is it read only? Read only, crazy. editable. Weak effect. So I need to make it editable. Weak enemy. Charge 1. Be right back. Okay. So I just need to configure. I'm freezing. So encapsulated the list to make it more easier to debug and avoid bugs. Who knew it was a problem, huh? Who knew? So there we have the default. Actually, let's add a punch attack. I can find it. Punch. Enter, exit in close combat. So all of you should have that. Okay, let's leave that. Enter, exit in close combat. Let's add one. Let's add two. There, rat as a punch attack. As an exit combat in close combat. There, next. Let's do wood sword. Exit close combat. Let's make you there, and let's do a wood sword item. Everyone has a wood sword now. Exit in close combat with an effect of poison. Why not poison enemy 2? There, the skeleton as this in close combat. Let's add shield. Yes, shield 2. And you have a punch attack. Punch card. In close combat. Okay. Let's add another one. Wood sword. Enter, exit in close combat. So I can confuse poison, shield, sleep. Maybe I can add there a 2. There, weak. Goblin. Their Watcher. So you're gonna have 3 wood swords. Exit in close combat. No, actually, I can have only one attack, you know, health. Enemy -4. Super powerful. And sleep. Enemy. Let's add 2. And let's add a shield. Let's add 3. Sleep. There. So you have a 50. There we have 1 wood sword with health. Punch. Okay, close combat. Enemy, poison enemy, weak. Punch. Punch. Actually, why punch? Why not a wood sword with health? Oh, I'm giving you energy. -2. Rat, shield, health, enemy. -2. Weak. Slime. Okay. Ooh. It's freezing here, man. Okay, there, wood swords. Let's get these guys. Just let's make sure everything's okay. So that's the goblin. Okay, so goblin, you have okay, that's the punch card. This is the poison effect. Okay, enemy 1, weak 2. Okay. Yeah, that seems to be working fine. So this is the slime. Let's see, this is the punch, and this is weak enemy 1. Okay, let's see what happens. Where are you? There, he got weak and something else. Oh. There, he got weak. So what happens if I build this? Nothing. Perfect. Self weak -1. Enemy confused +1. Great. So it seems to be working fine. We have a potion, we have a watcher portal. Let's see if the the enemy, I mean the watcher works. So that's the watcher. I only have one attack card with enemy health. Perfect. Let's see if it works. Yep, that works. Works fine. Okay, what's the problem with this? So this has been destroyed. Get player manager. Yeah, why not? If this not null, there, so I don't get annoyed by the error. So the other thing I need is, let's delete, I mean let's close all of that, all of these guys. Let's do this. Can I do close all but pinned? There. I don't need you. 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 Let's put you there. So let's change this daytime filler. What's this? No. Okay, so 0. Let's do 0. What else? The time, right? Daytime. No, not the time. Loop duration. Yes, get a counter max enemy cards. Where is this used? Nowhere? So let's see. When this is there. Oh, because this is 3. There. So depending on the day, it goes up and down. So if a day is 1 minute, this is 1 minute, this is 2 minutes. Actually no, 4 minutes. Then 5 minutes and more. Then 10 minutes and more, it's more, and the rest is 4. Right. Yes, I think it could work. So when it's 5 minutes of play, it gets harder. when it gets 9 minutes, it gets harder. Kinda. Because before that, you get the health upgrade. So the health upgrade can maybe 3 instead of 1. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3 minutes. There. 0. I'm gonna remove that. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's change this. 8. There. Let's do 8, 13, 15. Let's just play a little bit with this. 7, 8. 19. There, that's enough, I guess. So on turn and minute 4, this increases. Fine. And this is attack upgrade. Wait, so did they counter starts from 0? No, it starts from 1. Okay. Attack upgrades. Okay, so that's stuff for whatever is above 14. Return 5. Okay. Let's see. Let's play a little bit. So I did this. Let's get rid of it. And next is this. Add tooltips. And then I need to do the tutorial. Finish tutorial. That's the next big thing. Because I mean, the tooltips are part of the tutorial, because you can learn to play the game with those. Okay, so let's play. There. I just noticed this is going counterclockwise. Oh no, it's going clockwise. It's going clockwise. So it's okay. Anyway, where was I? Okay, so this. Let's get these guys. Let's get the ruins. I can't. There. Tower. Potion. He's fighting another one. There. Weak 3. Alright, that's good. Let's make them weak. This is self-weak. No, thank you. This is enemy health. Oh, you know what I need? I need a combo. Oh, but it's too slow. So it's not very useful. Let's see. Wheat, rock, and tree. Tree. There, okay. Another one of these. Some new ruins. Not too far away. Let's see. This requires a tree. A tree, wheat, and stone. Tree, wheat, and stone. Tree, wheat, and stone. Tree, wheat, and stone. Oh, too far away. Too far away. There. Oh, I have new cards. I just need new combos. There. Tree, wheat, and stone. Too far away. The tree, wheat, and stone. There. Again, tree, wheat, and stone. Oh. Tree, wheat, and stone. There we go. There, he's still fighting. 6 minutes. Oh, that's very useful. Day 6. Okay, I just need more combos, please. Weak, health -3, so this attacks the guy. Health, oh, this is nice. Health +3, enemy poison +4. So the least interesting is this one. Enemy health. Oh, another attack. That's good. Do I have new cards around here? No. Okay. Let's see. Enemy health, confuse. No, thank you. Enemy health, self-weak, -1. Alright, that's what I wanted. So I apply this here 2 cards left. 1, 2. Right, let's see. Another one of these, and let's see. Health. I really want health. Self-health, yes. What they should happen. So 2 left. 1, 2, 3. I mean 1, 2. Why this isn't activated? Charged. What? Why is it charged? Oh. Add charge to target effects plus 2 to first effects. Yes. So the first one is charged. Self-health plus 13. So this never gets activated actually. Can I get another combo? Oh, look. So this, when I get damaged, can I have a... Oh, wow. So when I get damage, I get health. Awesome. There, so this got activated. Nice. I'm gonna die very soon. Oh, I'm getting attacked. I'm getting killed. I'm gonna die soon. Man, should I make it so that when it gets here you get more health? I'm gonna die soon. So there. Oh, I died. What's the matter with this? Oh, poison effect 14. I mean 40. Okay, so poison effect 40. Poison. So I think the game is nice, but how nice is it? It's okay. In my opinion, it's nice. It's can be fun. I wish I had more combos to do. Poison damage +1. So what was the problem? The problem was on poison effect 40. Poison effect 40. There, when the callback is called. Where is this linked? Oh. So yes, that's the problem. I think apply poison. Maybe I should do a check entity being, so damage target, where is it? 40. Okay, so if I am two things, so if I'm dead, or if that other guy is dead, he should stop. this not null, then do this. Okay, that should be enough, I guess. Log preset. Wait. Test gameplay. There. So I spent like almost 10 minutes trying to survive. Let's see, modify. So when the health is modified, I update the health, right? Update health, update health. Okay, so value -0 else. Okay, so each time the health is modified, the health gets updated. Yep. Oh wait, so this should be here too, because minus, wait, what did I do? So here update, there, damage target, there, update health again. So this isn't necessary. Health equals, oh, but here is necessary, here is not, because here I already have a update health, as you can see here, and this is invoke update health. So there, update health, target, update health. Okay, so that's fine. Okay, the thing is I don't want to keep adding more stuff. right now. Mm-hmm. Is, is it a good idea to keep adding more health? I mean, more ways to gain health? Is it a good idea? That's the important thing. So there we have a punch attack, we have cave. There. So what's this? Tree, stone. I can't. Tree. Oh, oh, oh. No, I can't. Oh, there. Nice, nice. More ruins. Wow, that's good. Attack to tower. Tower. Okay, so confuse. Poison health. Enemy poison. Enemy cooldown. Oh, this is nice. No, this one was self-confused weak. No, thank you. This is good self-health. There we go. So let's take this. Let's see if we can get some treasure. So with this I can self-heal. +2. So let's see here. Okay. There is a treasure there. Let's get the treasure. Tree, tower, there. Every 2 morning. Available resource. Self-shield, that's very good too. Oh, there. Are charged to effects +1 to first. Let's get rid of this. Oh, it got stuck. What? Why did it get stuck? I wish I could fix that. I think I can build this. There we go. Combo? No. Enemy weak. Enemy cooldown charge. Enemy confuse. Oh, this. -1 to first. No, thank you. But my health is very good. Oh, another one. Confuse enemy health -3. That's kinda good. Okay, let's build this. Wow, look at that. There's a lot of treasures there. Alright. Enter close combat. So let's add another one of these. Let's add this there. Let's so I think I need more health. Enemy health. If I don't add myself health, I'm dead. Exit combat. Nice. Self-confuse. Self-health. Enemy health. Oh! What happened? Error. Poison effect 39? Really? 39. Oh. Okay. There, let's do that. Okay, you can continue. Please. There we go. So I'm on 7 minutes. Why do I don't get updated? So there is an error there on the health bars. Let's change that. Health bar of the hero does not get updated for some reason, maybe because there is an effect that gives the hero. Maybe that's why. There's stone, so I'm poisoned. Stone, exit combat. Another one of these. Okay, let's exit combat there, and I'm going to give myself some health. At least one. Oh, another one, yes. Oh, but do I have? Alright, so poison, health, self-confuse, enemy weak. This is good, enemy weak, +4. Exit combat, health -3. There, come on, attack, attack, come on. Oh, almost. Self-confuse -. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, almost in the 10-minute mark. Let's get rid of this. Enemy confused +4. This is very weak. Enemy health, this is kind of powerful. Self cooldown charge, this makes me super fast. Enter range combat, this is good too. Oh, I don't. Wait. Do I? Oh, I have the maximum. Let's set this. Self cooldown charge, let's set that one. Oh, another error. What's happened? Poison effect 49. 49. Okay, the same issue here. Okay. Context. Okay. Confuse. Okay, my meme says super quick, enemy weak. Self confuse. Okay, no thank you. Oh, but I'm almost dead. Look at this. 10 minutes. Damaged. This is going to make me super duper powerful. If I can enable it. Enter close combat. Self. Oh, see, this doesn't have any effects actually. Enemy confused. This is nice. Let's set this here. There we go. Oh, what's going on? Oh, but I'm dead. I'm dying. Now what? Poison effect 80. Again. Context is death. Goodbye. Okay, let's go. What? Uh-oh. Okay, maybe we have an errors. No, it's not a sequel. It's a game inspired in Loop Hero. Just inspired, but it's not a sequel. And I did not, by the way, I'm not the developer of Loop Hero. Those guys are other people. I just liked Loop Hero and wanted to make something similar but different. You know, have you seen this? So like in Loop Hero you can build things, for example a village. So when you build the village, yes, similar. So that's the hero, that's the barbarian, and you can equip things to him, for example a punch attack. So the punch attack has a cooldown of 6 seconds. It activates when entering combat, and has an attack of 2 points. So now I need to build something like in Loop Hero, right? I mean, I need to build something to make enemies. So I need, see the red area, I need to use the resources indicated here. So this requires grass and stone. There we go, grass and stone. There, I build it. So there are the enemies. There is a goblin and a slime. Piggyback. Not really, no. Not really. Not really. So there, enemy health, -1. That's an effect I can apply to this item, for example. So there, this item needs effects, as you can see here. This effect means it has no effects, so I need to apply, for example, this effect. Enemy health -1 and self-confuse -2, so there. There, now this item has effects. There, and I can equip him more items, like this or a potion, but these ones have no effects, so I need to get effects for these items. And for that, I need to build more buildings that have more enemies, like in Loop Hero. So I need the required resources. My next step, I need to polish it a little bit more, and I need to add tooltips, and that's it. That's it, because I only want to make a demo first. So this is a demo or an alpha version, because I want to know if people like it. You know, if people don't like it, then I will cancel it. But if people want more of this, I can keep making more. A demo, a demonstration version, like an early access, but not on Steam. I'm gonna release it on itch.io. Do you know it? Yes, demo. A demonstration. There we go. So, oh no, what's this? A bug. So this guy shouldn't stay there doing nothing. He's attacking something. He's attacking the air. But there are no enemies. Enemy. So there, I need to fix some bugs too. Let's try again. Let's see if I can figure out what's the problem. Okay, so I'm gonna play some more to see if I can figure out why is the hero stuck sometimes. Okay, this gives me health and also attacks the enemy. Oh, that's a combo card. This is useful for activating other cards. For example, this one. So this one will activate this one. Let's try to build more buildings. Oh, there are some treasures around the map, so I can try to get those treasures by building close to them. No, the goal is like in Loop Hero. You had this var, this boss var,